chukuru iraumbike nende kwithiro kijoine kinyambere twithira twita kuran kurikania chukuru nende ni Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences kaitene katukwaria thai matching technology gita na mbere kunende utachirwa kidhano kwenda kwithira itonya kaitene kano ithiro kituma application na ithiro kiambira iria kithomo kya kutuketha tukimenya mantu mwanya mwanya kuni chukuru eba nginkume abaina churia ikoziro kuvumbika kwithira nkibutha kiaina chukuru ere fire ni atere arewa na mantu yaungia mengi tuketha tukiarakia woro bwerwe na mweni yetu na karibu sana maybe no ithiro kethakia muthege no mwire wenu na karibu sana maybe no ithiro kethakia muthege no mwire wenu na umete na kukuongwa yeah.
Okay, Marieto ambita wa Nelly Marango nditana Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences twithero turutererwa Thika na nya we have Thika campus main na Nakuru campus endo nbithero ndirutererwa Meru we have an office ino mbithero ngita irangugi yes
na tukiona kia Imperial College imbi kana imbi biongwa ithera ikidili na bio in terms of maybe mathomo
Imperial College is kuru ya mantuza health kana ugima bomere na iskuru irikite ko approve itaveta fully accredited all the examination bodies accredited also na ndei skuru ithirite kuthirania na mawatho jara zabati kwithirwa za kiagiraga kanda tomba gwitana aritwa mantuza ugima bomere na ni skuru itikiritwe gwitana from ATSAN certificate and diploma level yes
na tukiona kia maybe kumtarara ni ndiomba kwithira kichura kia etumi kana a reason ikethira kicha la Imperial College re imbi biongwa what's so good biroko ni bibatere kwithira bito mamuntu edira kijenchukuru
Imperial College kambiria kuga itwithara tucitanirite first of all mbere ya waigwari twari Imperial College wizite kuthithia atia skuru area but itwithara twi na quality medical training area ya instill the right information ke aritwa beto kwa lazima to make sure aritwa bara beja kuthoma Imperial College they are being instilled with the right information, the right procedures, so that when they come out in the community, bakamba gutethereria antu boria kwagirite. Kwa hiyo twenda kuwezana the quality training those medical trainings itethera to chitaniritie kunenkanira the best. Then experienced lecturers itwenda kuandika aritani bara bakaomba kunenkera arutwa baba the right information also and even the right practicals para bakaomba kubonereria bwega no to the moment ukareta muritwa umunenkere the wrong teacher you are taking the wrong student to the community na ndai twenda kuandika aritani bara be fully experienced na bara bakaomba gwitana aritwa betu bwega then twethera twina Imperial College no twethera twina these strong clinical rotations aritwa bari ati theory yake beja kuthoma skuru ikoithera kwina practicals so we have signed with various MOUs with various hospitals industries na ari aritwa betu pamba gwita for practicals for more exposure other than theory level itwethera twina affordable education our fee is pocket friendly area muritwa aomba kuiza kuthoma na akaomba kuendelea kuthoma ku so itwenda at least affordability tomba kugwatira the entire community tukabainyeria muno kwa mantu zauri ina kila kitu it is fully catered there then itwetherwa ni itwenda ku expose our student in career opportunities the moment muritwa uria wamwitana bwega na gwata mathomo bwega ushamu expose to the community uria omba kujukwa na career opportunity awekethirwa hii superb let me say that ikethirwa hii sawa then we have modern training facilities let me say as an health institution we are supposed to have labs nto kwina practicals chair lab but kwethira tuna food lab but kwethira twina computer labs. So all these facilities are available at Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences. And then mbuge ya ritobetu ibekaira uniform for recognition na plus hostels chithairo chi ndeni skuru. So the moment tombete ku capture these things, itwize nyamuri twagomba kwiza to the community tukamba kuwa the community the best. Yes.
Wow. Natukia maybe kwina all these amenities, for example mwana na kume at least atethira kire ya thene kuria nyumba, lakini courses ira mwana mbika kwithira kithoma Imperial College yeire ku maybe bwina a series of courses ira mtombika kwithira kithoma ira kana nete bubongwa.
Yes, courses chiku mwanya chithero chi classified into various departments na nkambiria na School of Health and Social Sciences. Kwa department ya School of Health and Social Sciences ukethira kwina diploma ya social work and community development. Muritwa batukethira na semaina kandomba kuthithia diploma and a discipline kandomba kuthithia certificate. Then kwina certificate ya health support assistant paiba romba go nenkanira support in various departments in hospitals. NRD plus naombe kuiza na kathithia. Then we have caregiver baba omba kumenyera patients maybe after ame dischargeiwa. So the caregiver, they give the care. Wina D minor naombe kuthithia course yeu. And then kwina community health diploma but kwithira wina C minor. But in a cluster no tono but kwithira wina C minor in either English kana Kiswahili. And then D plus in biology, then D plane in either mathematics or physics. So with that one you can do that one, community health, a certificate ya D plane. Then we have a School of Perioperative Theatre Technology. There's a iba bomba gutetheria the doctors in theatre. Wina C minor naombe kuthithia certificate na wina C plane naombe kuthithia diploma. Iwi tena cluster of subjects, yes. Then kwina School of Applied Sciences. Ukethira kwina diploma ya science laboratory. These are the lab technicians in schools ama institutions. But kwethira wina C minor for the diploma na D plus kana D plane for the certificate. In the same department kwina biomedical engineering technology. But kwethira wina C minor na ukamba kuthithia course yeu. Then kwina School of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. These are the nutritionists baba mbago twira bora tomba korea mirire ya so even yes. So wina C minor no uthithia diploma. And this one has a cluster of subjects not to but kwithira wina C minor in maybe in English kana Kiswahili, then a D plus in biology, D plus in chemistry kana masabu. Then D plane the others physical sciences. Then certificate but kwithira wina D plus, then D plane subjects, other subjects now. Na ndinoombe kwizo kathithia nutrition. The same department kwina hiwi ya food technology. Wina C minor no wambire diploma na D plane wina no thithia certificate. Food technology baba mba kuthithia the processed foods. Saito mba kwendera supermarket ibaba unandi. Then we have food and beverage management. This is under hoteli wale machefs wa hoteli. So with your C minor you can do your diploma, and with your D plus kana D plane naombe kuthithia certificate. Then kwina School of Health Information and Management. For the diploma but kwithira wina C minor inyaye na cluster of subjects. Then the languages C minor, then biology D plus, then maybe sasa chemistry ama physics but kwithira wina C minor. That is for the diploma. And for the certificate but kwithira wina C minors in either English kana Kiswahili, D plane in biology, then D plus in chemistry ama mathematics. Yes, then ke department hiyo kuna ya information technology only, the ITs peke yake. So with your C minor you can do the diploma, and with your certificate you can D+, you can do your certificate. Then kwina School of Nursing upatikethirwa ina C-plane, biology C-plane, either one of the languages C-plane, then physics kana chemistry C-. So ethirwa wina courses iu nombe kuthithia nursing. Then kwina School of Clinical Medicine and Surgery, nyo upatikethirwa ina C-plane, biology C-plane, chemistry na masabu C-, and one of the languages C-plane. So those are the courses that we have and the clusters, and they are all fully accredited.
I'm sure.
Yes.
Na kinyambere tutukela kia examination bodies irabwethera bwitumira at Imperial College. Maybe ukumtwara qualifications chake chibwera certificate. Is it possible mtu wake akambiria babu certificate ari kiakendelea na diploma kana wara mtawirire no?
Yeah, it is possible. No mbe kwithirwa kwina za courses indambiria certificate. Meaza preparative ina certificate na ina diploma. So it is very possible weza wambiria certificate no the diploma. Na after that pia with the university ukathithia degree.
Sure. Na tukielekea these courses maybe kwa mtu uretha irake yara na ate kumimbibi ngombe kya kubwethia akwira only the reach results chakwa ndi interest na ke imbombe kya kwethera bukyo ke maybe wethera bukya na ntumede ikaria guidance kana kwira mtu nindi no thiatire pathi kana no thiatire do you offer that ke muritora yete kuboje na maybe ate kumimbio ngombe kya kubwethia?
Yeah, we do offer to the career guidance for free. To teacher we don't charge. Not to yes o kuga aritwa ibaba ingi ibeza na muritomba kweza na course yo inya ithatu kana inya. Na ndimanya kambirio ukamba gutega mbere kethora na go qualify with the results. Ethora na go qualify ukaitwa ko ba guide to where bara mwanka course ira kethirwa e comfortable ho ha etite kuthithia class ine no tukeza kwithira no umutarire course na eta class ine agitata aremwe but twenda at least nyeza na iwi ithatu guteko stuga ni thuki no to at the end of the day you have to have your papers to look for a job.
Sure.
So itomba ko ba guide na twenda tukuba guide kwita to the path area bakaomba ko kwa very comfortable in class na bakaomba na inya practicals. Yes.
Na tukielekea the job markets, maybe what are some of the jobs iramtombia kwethira kiutheke from your courses on tukona when a wide range of maybe courses maybe we yeleni kumtombia kwethira kiutheke na ifield iri kwa kethira ke fall into
courses you chende ndamba ku gutariria imwenya no utiandike ti lazima waandikwe. Most of the courses here pia unaweza fungua yako na ujiajiri.
Sure.
And then most of the courses they are wide. Ti lazima waandikwe civitari yake.
Sure.
You can no oneke industries, no oneke maskuru, no to the science lab. You can get ti lazima with the civitari.
Sure.
Yeah, there are these lab technicians by even to the institutions that we have.
Yeah.
And the courses here in short inyawa mithithia they are wide. Ti lazima ochwengoge civitari yake no chiandike inyawa ugwe. Yes.
Wow. Na tukielekea kwa ikintu kingi antubamba kwethira bagichi urakia bakawia chiribi na bikauma kana what are some of the examination bodies iratoka ithira chieko exam chiekubulire kerio kendo kiumara certificate ku kinyawa kuria kuru ino thomero rio tu ni exam body riko yethirite maybe ikerio kiko buthirie. What are some of the examination bodies irachumba kwethira ikiwak na Imperial College ke chiribio?
Examination bodies chetu tia chithara chetu tofauti. They are fully accredited to government. Yani kumaanisha magerio za thitha we Imperial no za thitha we nyathirikari. No to like for example the nkweze nursing. Baditha ya Nursing Council of Kenya. That one is an example. Nutrition. Baditha ya KNDI, Kenya Nutrition Dietitians Institution. Na ndi igategemea na kosi ire mtu akuthithia, but these examination bodies are fully accredited by government. So whatever that person is doing in public, it's the same thing that this other person is doing at Imperial. So examination chetu ichi thirikari, the private, not internal. mea kwe no witoka thithirwe internal kerwo wane. It is not internal, it is fully accredited by government.
Wow.
Yes.
Na twaile mantu engethera ichumbara arito muno mantu yegie attachment kana sorry, mwana arike kuthoma na batire kwethera nende akia exposed to the work environment, maybe with the nursing itende chibitari wone bra kiro thomera kirasine ombikia kwa apply obro kwethirite kwa not only theory uturaome na kugwithia as practical. Maybe attachment ikintu kithara kichumbura arito na inkomya bwina arito baingi ibwethera maybe bwina an MOU na maybe institutions, for example machibitari that every 3 months to kapa ya ritobano na baki attachment kana ipotetera kiana kwithira bakicho na ira attachment depending maybe na cause ira mtu akubudana na roommate.
Yes, aritoba baki report iba reporter na murito athithia course yewe for that duration kwina term ira era gwaete attachment.
Yeah.
So for the attachment itoba tethaia and we indicate kuga we have signed various MOUs with various hospitals, not even in Thika peke yake. Saizi tuko kila mahali kwa sababu pia wanafunzi wetu wametoka kila mahali. So utapata hata hiyo time ya attachment kuna mzazi hataki mtoto wake akae Nairobi, akuje akaribie nyumbani. So we do assist na ikifikia hiyo time tunawasaidia. Yes.
Wow, na tukiwa like ya untubumba kwethera bwichumbura maybe both tichumbura ari tomno bwichumbura chiari ontuku muchiari ara maybe well are interested lakini akethera rende aitemuka chukuru ne kwena ritori na kanyari fio kaumba maybe fee enu how friendly is it na ibwethera boitikira ke maybe muchiari ethera kibanga bono kwa kiripotire na report na maybe percentage ye nyuma ichi maybe ile bidatori nkwende tongwa to kwandarikia. Is that agreed with at Imperial?
Yes. Very possible. Indekire kuga itwenda kuweza na affordable education.
Yeah.
So rira mbugire affordable education ku generally kuga nyamuri toria akiripoti skuru tibande bethera bena the full amount. Kwa itwetikiriti a certain amount ira murito ezearie wingi muciari agite atia achoke ezearie empari. So imbugire it is pocket friendly and then nonkweba aruga jatha inda kwa baruga maybe umeregister leo lakini unaingia me na ndino kuona ngunga kunekera documents chonde na ugategera fee kwa nombe nyambere nyawiza me no withokegera ukiriaga kidogo. So it is possible kwena percentage ukezo tonyeneo na wamba gutonya na yonde isaba. So kuna lipa mdogo ni witao.
Exactly.
Yes.
Tell us about hostels chenu. Irabo that maybe we provide onto actually in most of these universities na colleges accommodation there are challenge nene mno na baka ule nyumba na uome it's not safe. Maybe Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences need to consider whether in hostels onto body top and how friendly are they, how comfortable are they, you know? Ari imbizi achari baba inge especially bakuma kuraza ibethera benogwa but kandi ke kubera Imperial College tethera tena hostels na tethera chinde ne skuru teome they are inside security is sawa na they are pocket friendly pia na murito arara umbecha ile okaria akaomba kwa breakfast lunch na supper na kwina entertainment na wifi. So nyomba chindene skuru teome nonto ko kethira kwi muciari akeza ambirie kugari nte kwenda mwana kwa akaraome. So hostels twina chio chindene na security sawa. Na kwethara kwina intake for example actually when a match intake endelea thai iribwethara kwina intake chienu and you remember kwe yo either September kipo antiko maybe no tueleze intake chienu Ntao love room.
Ntao revuru. Intex cheto chedora che January, March ambayo ndio inaendelea saa hii. Yes. You can even register tomorrow and join by in 2 weeks ama unajitayarisha in a week's time na una join. So March inaendelea na mmekaribishwa sana. Then kuna May na September. Now for the nursing it's only March and September.
for the nursing.
Clinical medicine ivo September ki. Yes. The CEUs.
Na kuende, but that does not mean mtu napatira wethera mwaka September no apply nyatha yake na akambiria kuria
na akambi kabisa na ukenderea.
Na tukielekea manto yegie maybe mission enu na vision enu re na kinyamoto kione kenu imbibyongwa na what has driven you kwithira kwina mission na vision imbibyongwa bukubanga.
Wirago kethira wina skuru no tena mworoto ngogote gukuthithia ukugwata na ndi lazima when you have such a big institution gote skuru ite moto kana ite vision because lazima onenkera ritobaria a vision ere kabumba kuba guide na bombe gwita bwega kanda mtu amba kwithirwa on the right track and for us our mission to guide to offer transformative relevant medical health training in Africa. Batuti Kenya ke turenda in both in Kenya and Africa. Vision yetu tukauga offering support for our career dreams. Na moto tukauga committed to professional excellence. Yes, lazima commit kanda tomba ku produce the best. Yes.
Na kiko produce the best want kwenda tuitira mount ye index maybe imbi mtu abatire kwethira ke yabyo mbere yethira ke yara imbi abatire kwethira iwetia kama tete ke umeamba kwethira ke yarana na kwenda ku join match akethira utina kinana kinaita weru match kadiro imbi kana mtu ake ya September na kwina ya clinical medicine in September ake kethira kwinto atina kio kimwe bile akabindi ari eulia imbi maybe murito abatire kwethira ke ya nabyo kenda process ya admission na kinyewe ya intake tikethira kiuma
area muhimu mwana manya result slip lazima huiza result slip kanda tomba gutega course ire kwenda ni gwitania na grade kana inya cluster kwa hiyo inya ukigeria gwita in any of the offices kana inya ukigeria ku communicate through online kana inya thimo tamba gugwitia your result slip. Your result slip kanda tomba ku guide with the course that you want. Au ange nandie thoranu qualify te iroto guteka process ya registration. Then una register, then unapatiwa barua. Una join if you have qualified. So the most important ni hiyo tu result slip.
Na kwa mtu maybe akuidira ikiwa match niendelete, how long does it take kendaomba kuidira care admitted yes kwa result slip and qualifications process we take maybe into kuiana
for this match ekendere mwanka match ithere. Yes.
Kunende kwina
around nara wa 20th no bakwenderea gutonya.
Na tugera kia manto yegie equipment onto bwene nyinto bie lab kana courses ku involve a lot of maybe labs and all that. How well is lab ya Imperial College equipped kenda ku equip aritobana bona the knowledge na kinya the skill irapa kwenda
imbukerete thorate na modern training facilities. Modern training facilities hizo tegera za course kama an example za course ya health records. Health records lab lazima idhuru ina computer lab. So computer lab iko. Science lab lazima idhuru ina labs. Chionde chiku. Nursing lazima idhuru ina labs na operations serious chionde. All those are there. So hizo vitu zote ziko pale Imperial and after that bado ugeta tutakutoa nje bado but the school is fully equipped. Let me say it is fully equipped. Kila kitu iko hapo. Yes.
Now maybe tukielekea the message from the director who has propelled this school in a big way indicate sifachi akinyoni mbera yako thikira rito maybe message yake maybe kire potential students achiari nereko.
Our director Benjamin Kenya na kwigwa gwiritwe kiachiari bara bombete kureta ana bao Imperial College na no akuendelea ku encourage bara batombeta kubareta as far as our match intake is ongoing na kwigwa ke kadhiria tiari bombe kureta ana enyatha hii match bombe ko join the family of Imperial College na kwigwa chokeretie achiari bonde nkatho na kwenda bau bangi batombete kwiza bagete atia bombe go to join tombe go instill that training of that health training ke aritoba bonde bena uja. So wote wamekaribishwa na shukurani mingi kwa wale washatu join na wale bado wanakuja.
Na mbere yetu ya parting shot, maybe Buena campuses Nakuru, Buena campuses Thika, Buino Bichimeru, kontoko ina maybe no tueleze ya na actually KTV kumutogeri kwina ambachi kwithira chikulo kairau wicho nombe ombeka kwithira Kiringa, but need briefly kindly ina branches ichi enwire kana the campuses ina kokuongo ile Nakuru is a big town.
Thika is a city
maybe no tueleze ina bwithira puri.
Okay, ke mbambiria Nakuru. Nakuru, isite. Yeah, well, we have a Nakuru campus in Nakuru town, in Akuanga Lawn and Gara Street, just opposite Christ the King Catholic Church. Ugatu ithira ndeu na ethirwo tumbo kinyandeo namba ethimo 0713 050 000. Gwetekia namba hiyo winya screen ine. Yes, na ndi na wino Nakuru campus here. Then we have Thika main, iko Thika town, just 600 meters away from Thika level 5 hospital. Opari na inyawe igwa tumbo kinyandeu. There's a line pia kwa screen 0719 223 223. Hiyo namba kana 0111 052 600. Ukaringa namba hiyo ukombo gutetheka rutere rwa Thika. Then is still in Thika we have two campuses. We have Thika 2. Thika 2 iko Aton Towers along Mama Ngina Drive, Thika town sasa. Ugatu ithira au na namba ethimo 0701 470 000. Hiyo ndio namba ya huko. Then we have Meru office now. Meru office tuko hapa opposite Magunas ya town, si ya makutano. Watu wengi upiga wakiwa makutano. Ni Magunas ya town. Downtown. Yes. Magunas. Tuko hapa opposite Electrical House next to Ken Silver offices. First floor room number EH4. Namba ethimo inge ya screen ine ya Meru office 0768 37 36 14. Yes, na itethare nyatuna office Nairobi. Yes, Nairobi you have an office iko Mombasa Road. Yeah, just NetGen Mall. Hapo first floor room number 16. Utatupata pia hapo. Na kinyamu akethira atikumea any of those number ile wa Karinga na nya online tumejaa kila mahali.
Sure. Yes. Nyao loringa nambe na Nakuru na Wimero will definitely be directed.
Yes.
Kuna ndio namba ure ubatire kwithira ukiuga kemutegi na withire Kiringa kenomba kwithira ukiona uteithio na intake ya match ni direte geta na mbere dele na ndake ile maybe parting shot mombe ukomuthia ni ure maybe kire potential students baraba kwenda kujoin na Chiaribo and many others.
My parting shot baraba kwenda kujoin match, maybe uja register. Bado registration inaendelea, you can still come and register and you join. Edhono cherero gutonya January, this is match is here. You still have the time, come and join us. Na inyawe dhuro tai ready izatoka ku register me.
Exactly.
Yes, na mmekaribishwa sana Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences, where we are committed to professional excellence. Yes.
Thank you very much Nelly.
Thank you.
Mutegeri nkwirigira nindi kwethiro gichi kerwe ngwa na kinyoko na nindi motaro na kitano kwenda kujoin kana mwana ku karenyo dhro no kwenda kujoin kana mwana ku ati kumekozira kwenda kubwithia ndo it's related kirato dhira tuitalera kwa Nelly no ethira kikinya in one of those branches kana offices na kaomba kwethira akaya guided iranjia ya kubwithia na kinya kuringana na kinyapura kurukite ukethiro gita kuroto chambani nyuma kaita katikura no ntobandeto chero daidato
Eje ni Wero TV. Omuthenya ni kiewa ni kiambirire kingi gikieru kioturo ikiamiruki wirwa na ukire